Hey everyone, it's great to see you.
Ooh, my favorite customer.
Morning, Flo.
Oh! Lightning, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, come on. Anybody know the cure for hiccup?
Any suggestions for the hiccups already?
Pronto? Trattieni il respiro.
Go ahead. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's all. Or not good enough.
Try my homeopathic cure, man.
What's in it?
You don't want to know.
Well, actually, it's got an explosion to cure all and about the... Whoa!
Ooh.
The sensation of heaven. Don't worry, I got my props. There's the props. Huh? Ow! Oof! Wait! Ow! Ah! Oh! Oh! That's leaving the mark. Oh! Wow. Oof! Ow! Ow!
Wind chimes? Shouldn't his teeth be piano keys?
I like to put a twist on things.
Stop hiccuping, Roger. That's an order.
What do you need first?
Try a drink of water.
Good point.
You gotta hang upside down, spin around while you touch your tongue to the hood.
Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up!
Mater, let him down!
I got it.
Hiccups are gone. Thanks, Sally.
Don't worry, Wacky.
I'll carry you.
Major, go away! I just want the chance. Hip!